Welcome to the Spell Bee Champion Series, 3-Letter Words, Part 4. In this series, we help children build strong spelling skills step by step. We begin with 3-letter words, then gradually move to 4-letter words, 5-letter words, and many more. This video is specially designed for students preparing for Spell Bee examinations. You may notice that this video does not include pictures. This is intentional. By removing visual distractions, children can focus completely on listening to the word, understanding it, and remembering the correct spelling. So listen carefully, repeat the words, and practice the spellings along with us. Keep watching the Spell Bee Champion series for more word lists and spelling practice. Let's begin.
H-I-T Hit H-A-S Has H-A-D Had H-O-W How H-E-R Her H-I-S His H-E-N Hen I-N-K Ink I-C-E Ice J-U-G Jug J-E-T Jet J-A-M Jam J-A-R Jar J-O-B Job J-O-G Jog K-I-T Kit K-E-Y Key L-O-T Lot L-E-T Let L-E-Y Lay